In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Roblox to Geforce experience. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to right-click the Roblox player anywhere on your computer and select Open File Location. This will redirect you to the default Roblox installation folder that is usually located at Program Files, Roblox Versions, and then the latest version of Roblox. Click on the title bar after selecting Open File Path and copy this. This is the folder in which Roblox is installed. Now, open up Geforce Experience and first go to Drivers and click Check for Updates. Make sure you are running the latest version of the Geforce Experience drivers. After you go ahead and update any drivers as necessary, go into the Settings menu by clicking this cogwheel at the top right corner of the screen and select Games and Apps. In here, click the Add button and paste the folder that we copied from the Roblox install folder. Press Enter and then select Folder after pasting the file path we copied for Roblox. As you can see, it's now added to the list. All we have to do now is go back to the home page, click the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Scan for Games and Apps. After a quick scan, Roblox should be detected as installed on your computer, and it's going to pop up on this main window for Geforce Experience where you can configure its settings and optimize it for your computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Roblox to Geforce Experience. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.